how many likes we got on this live stream. Hopefully the likes is over 100 at this point. I see we got 180 people in the box. So y'all should be hitting that like button, especially if you want to increase your DoorDash earnings, because this it's been proven across multiple channels and multiple platforms that if you hit that like button and that subscribe button in conjunction with each other, here on the Dash and Trader FDA channel, it will increase your earnings. Not only on DoorDash, but on Uber Eats and Walmart Spark as well. But here's the thing though. Not only do you got to do that, you got to take it a step further. You got to go to the catalog, watch some videos. Because once you get you some of them videos up under your belt, incrementally, by 1%, you will begin to earn more money. Okay? So you got to do that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, watch them videos, increase your earnings. You want to stay broke forever? That what you want to do? Let me see. Let me check the likes. We got 57 likes. Now it's 58 because I liked it myself. So nice you got to like it twice. $4.62 at Taco Bell for that taco smell. Boy, they love that shit, boy. I cannot stand Taco Bell, boy. $4.62. That's screenshot worthy. Because it's Friday night. Okay, that ain't a screenshot. Come on. There we go. Taco Bell for that taco smell. Boy, they don't even care. I mean, that's not a bad offer. We're here. Let me help you. Let me help you. Since you think that offer is so good, let me help you out. I gave it to you. I just declined it so you can take it. You can have it. I guess that's a good offer too, huh? Damn, the damn screenshot. Come on, you supposed to be able to just 2 buttons, just like that. I guess that's a good offer too, huh? I need to email Shafine back and send her this payment. Gotta pay my way so I can get my designs. Nah, that one is trash. Yeah, man. Come on, we're gonna decline these together, guys, as a team. We declining orders as a team, guys. Team effort. Taco squirts. Oh my God. Yeah, man, I can't mess with that taco smell, bro. That stuff ain't even. I used to eat it, but then I realized that I value myself. So I said, you know what? I'm not eating it no more. Right now, I use my Z Flip 5 to record. And sometimes I'll use this right here, which is my DJI Pocket 2. It's a 4K camera. It's like a GoPro with a gimbal all in one. I like it. See that? You can record 4K, 60 frames per second. It got the face tracking. So you see no matter which way I move, the gimbal just follows me. You can turn the face tracking off and you can, hold on. You can put it in follow mode. You can put it in tilt lock mode. You can put it in first person view. You can zoom in and out. It got a little joystick right here. You can control it with the DJI Mimo app. It's pretty damn cool. Now this is the Pocket 2. They just came out with the Pocket 3. When I bought this, they say, hey, check out this DJI Pocket 2. As soon as I bought that mug, they released the Pocket 3 the next day. I said, you son of a bastard. Y'all did that on purpose. Yeah, the Z Fold 5, yeah, that's that deal. It was a little bit too expensive for my pocketbook, so I went with a Z Flip 5. But I like that fold, though. I really do. I wanted to open up DoorDash on the Z Fold 5 and just have it like a mini tablet. Dash and Trader, don't flame me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing out here. With Popeye, don't you worry, because you have immunity from all roasting sessions that I may partake in here on this channel, because you a brand new Dasher. So I don't hold nothing against you, but I do want to teach you. I want to help you out, show you, you know what I'm saying, how to make this money. If you have to like get your AR up, do earn by time, you know, because I would much rather you do earn by time and get an order that take you 10 miles away than do an order like this that's taking you 10 miles away. Because if you take an order like this taking you 10 miles away, you finna get $3 in tip, $2.75 in base pay. But if you take it on earn by time, then at least, you know, you can take your time driving down to the highway, drive down. Now, you know, you might make $9 in base pay. Tip still may be $3. Look, they don't even want to let me decline this motherfucker. Y'all see this? Look, y'all see this, right? Look, y'all see that, right? They don't even want to let me decline it. Look. Look.